Independence. One of the benefits of building a substantial business coaching practice is to have freedom and to have independence. Right now, as the recording of this video, we're in the week of the 4th of July here in America. And celebration, as there always is every year, but this one is special, right? 250 years. And it got me to think just about that term from a career perspective of freedom. We hear this term all the time about freedom thrown around a lot on the internet, right? On YouTube, on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok. What does it mean to have freedom? And so I thought I would kind of address that and kind of share with you one of the reasons why we do what we do with an entire operating system. Well, we'll talk about that in just a moment because there's a couple of things to consider. I think you probably likely, if you're watching this video, you probably thirst for some type of freedom and some type of independence. I know that I have. That's exactly why I went down the road many years ago for business coaching, for the desire to be able to build my own thing. That was the whole, precipice. And you likely have some type of desire for a number of different reasons, right? The word freedom and independence certainly is different to everyone, but perhaps, from one regard, you have rather spent a lot of time building someone else's thing. And by the way, we can learn a lot when we do that. There's nothing wrong with that. But after, 20, 25, 30 years of doing that, many people begin, especially professionals. You likely have served well. You've led teams, could be at the executive level, could be, sales management. Maybe you own your own business or you have owned your own business at some point. Maybe you've done some side hustle things. Maybe you've done some contract work as a consultant, whatever. So you've been around business. You have business prowess. Like, you can sit across the table from someone who owns a business and kind of walk through, working with them and helping them, right? But after, 25 plus years, you really already, you've had that nagging thought. I want to do my own thing for quite a long time. I know I did when I finally went out on my own officially and began to develop and create my own thing. But here's the problem, that when we have this idea and this desire of, I'm tired of building someone else's dream. I want my own freedom. I want my own independence to do my own thing. I'm just going to go out on my own. As a matter of fact, I saw a post from someone that's connected to me via Facebook. I don't know them super, super well, but I do know them. And I don't know their entire situation, but it's what's happened. They got let go and attempted to try to find another job. And he had a wake-up call. I could almost, if I had it with me, I could almost just read the actual post. And he used the terms, it's time. I'm sitting here trying to sell myself and my services in his space to all these businesses, but it's time to bet on myself. That's what he said. And you may have that type of idea too. Here's what happens though with that, if that's the only thought, that a lot of people will step out with this idea that I'm going to do my own thing. I'm going to go for it. I'm going to give it all it's got, which I would argue, yes, you have to have some type of context like that. But here's the trap. When we step out like that and we don't have anything in the background as an infrastructure, resources, tools, support, that trap starts to become overwhelming because now we're spending all of these hours in building. We're spending all these weeks in creating. We're spending all these months in trying to take ideation to completion. And it can really do a lot of mind games to you, to be honest with you. And all that time, you've not really spent any time in front of prospective opportunities that says, yes, we want to work with you. And that's the trap. And so we talk about all the time in our coaching system, there's 3 areas that you have to solve in coaching. 1, where do I get leads and prospects? What strategies am I going to use that fit me, my gift mix, my style, my background, that kind of thing. Number 2, how do I convert the prospects that I am talking to into ongoing, high-paying monthly clients? And the 3rd, how do I coach them once I get them as a client to get results with simplicity? So regardless of what you do your own thing, you work with somebody else, doesn't matter. You will have to solve those 3 areas, okay? And so when we have this idea, again, I'm going to stop building someone else's dream. we turn over here, and then we fall into a trap because we've said now, I'm now going to go out on my own. Okay. So what do you do instead? That is the entire premise. Okay. To joining a path that's already built. Okay. And that's what we've done with our entire operating system. It's the resources, it's the tools, it's the all the elements. And the cool thing is with what we do, it's not a franchise. It has similarities, but it truly is a system that's fully white labeled with your brand, your style. You get to plug it in, charge what you want, keep 100% of what you earn. And this is the reason why we do it this way. And I would encourage you to really process, to think through, pray about it, imagination, whatever you got to do, is that if you're going to step out and go do your own thing, I'm going to stop building someone else's dream. If you look at the 80-20 rule, what would you prefer to do? Because when you're building your own stuff, ask me how I know, by the way, when you're building your own stuff, you're going to spend more than 80% of your time building the stuff. And you're going to spend less than 20% of your time actually building relationships, adding value, solving problems, and getting clients. Versus when you utilize a structure that's already moving and hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of people have already used it, and you get to control your own business, your own brand, charge what you want, and keep 100% of what you earn, now the 80-20 begins to flip. Now 80+% of my time is simply building relationships, adding value, solving problems, and getting clients. I might spend less than 20% on some technical stuff here and there, sending out an email, whatever, setting up maybe a funnel or whatever. Arguably, our team helps do all of those things, which is why we have the system and the structure in place like we do. So if you're looking for real freedom, here's my perspective. You have to determine if you want to adopt it or if you want to agree with it or not. But at the end of the day, real freedom comes from having a structure. Real independence and freedom does not come from just making the decision that I'm just going to go do my own thing. Because advice by itself, by the way, as a consultant, strategist, and an advisor, that's not what you need. There are maybe a handful of people that I know of that their advice alone is going to help them land the deals, give the opportunities, high-paying opportunities, by the way. There's a few people that I know that might be able to make that work. The rest of the 98% of the population needs an entire systems, tools, and processes to get true independence and true freedom, which is the reason why we've created our entire structure and process to solve the three things that I talked about before, okay? And so, if you're looking for independence, you're looking for freedom, my advice is find a structure. Is certainly if you believe that if you want to take a peek at ours, we'll help you do that. But a structure, a background, a backbone, a community, training. That's why we give our coaches one-on-one coach training to help you land your clients, to work through your strategies. We have communities you can be a part of every single day. We have different types of mastermind level trainings to be a part of to begin to master business coaching and business strategy and working with clients. Loneliness is an epidemic. We've solved that with the structure of support. We have concierge-like support. So you must find some level of system, tools, structure so that you can go walk out. Like one of the cool things that I love about what we do, obviously I'm biased, is that one of the software tools that we have, like day one as a coach with us, you can go out and develop conversations immediately. Even before we've created your website, your resources and tools, you literally can go do it right now. Why? Efficiency matters. Time kills deals. So we've solved that by having tools that now you're not going to do that forever. You'll have your whole system set up in a matter of a couple of weeks. But by and large, you want to create efficiency swiftly. Tools help do heavy lifting. When you're just trying to sell and convince, not going to get it done. When you have the right kind of tools that visually show the path to freedom for a business owner, now you're just the guide. You're the thought leader. And that's why we created the system and the structure that we have. So again, as we kind of take a peek at this term freedom and independence this whole week, and it gives me this, we hear it all the time. I'm ready to take control of my destiny. You'll have two paths and you will have to choose. Build everything on your own. And there will be a few people who probably can make that work. But again, that's the 1 and 2 percenters. Find a system and a structure that you can plug yourself into that you still get to control and operate the way that you want to operate it, which is why you with us, you have the ability to go do it how you want to do it. We'll train you. If you're interested about that, there'll be a link somewhere at the bottom of this video. Perhaps you received this in an email. There's a link there as well, and we'll go from there. Okay. Until next time, take care.